Hello student. Today we are starting with the new topic from chapter number 5, Cell Structure and Organization. Topic is 5.3, Components of Eukaryotic Cell. Now during the last lecture we have studied about the cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane, in which also we have studied the fluid mosaic model. Today we are starting with the third point, that one is cytoplasm. This cytoplasm which is there, it is present inside. Suppose here I am drawing the diagram. If this is a cell, outer one it is called as an cell wall, and inner the cell wall we studied that cell membrane is present, and inside which the nucleus is present. The gap means the space between the cell membrane and here the nuclear membrane, the all place which is there, this is called as cytoplasm. This is called as what? Cytoplasm. Now this cytoplasm contains ground substance called as cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. This colloidal jelly-like material is not static here. It shows streaming movement called as cyclosis, because in which various kinds of functions are taking place. The cytoplasm contains organic molecules such as water and inorganic molecules such as sugar, amino acids, vitamins, enzyme, nucleotides, minerals, and also the waste product. The cell organelles which are there are nothing but the compartment in the cell that carry out specific functions and are together considered as endomembrane system of the cell, inside which in the compartment they are being separated. That one is first one means endoplasmic reticulum, also called as ER. Next to the nucleus, the nuclear membrane, next to the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum compartment is present, which appears like a little network within the cytosol is present in all eukaryotic cells. If we observe under the electron microscope, this ER appears like network of membranous tubules and sac called as cisternae. Thus, this endoplasmic reticulum which is there, it is divided into two parts, one within the lumen of ER called laminal cytoplasm and non-laminal cytoplasm that lies outside the ER. Now here, endoplasmic reticulum act as intracellular supporting framework and helps in maintaining position of various cell organelles in the cytoplasm. Here, the divided endoplasmic reticulum which are there, that one is smooth ER, means SER, that is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is involved in various processes in different cells. The major function of this smooth ER is the transportation of lipid material inside the cell wherever it is needed. And another one is rough ER, means RER is primarily involved in the function for protein synthesis, which majorly helps for the removal of lactic acid. Now here I am showing the diagram for this endoplasmic reticulum. Here in between you can see the nuclear envelope which is there. Here one is the ribosome, inside which the dot present which is there. These are the ribosome. This is the nuclear envelope. Next, beside this nuclear envelope, this endoplasmic reticulum is present. Nearly means which is near to the nuclear membrane. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is situated, while outside here tubules like structure which are there. These are the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is what the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This can also be asked during the exam time. Now in this way we studied about the endoplasmic reticulum. Here these such membrane bound proteins depart from endoplasmic reticulum as a transport vesicle here, and rough ER, majorly this rough ER which is there, it is involved in the formation of membrane of the cell, and the ER membrane grows in place by addition of membrane proteins and phospholipids to its own membrane. These portions which are there are expanded membrane and are transferred to the other component of endomembrane system. This is how the function which is there, it works inside the cell. Now next we will start with the Golgi complex, which is also called as a Dalton complex, as Dalton and his team worked on this Golgi complex. Now this Golgi complex are essential consist of stacks of membranous sacs which is called as cisternae. Here the Golgi complex, inside which the diameter of this cisternae varies from 0.5 to 1 micrometer. A cell may have several cisternae depending upon its functions which is being carried out in the cell. Here the thickness of and molecular composition of two membranes of Golgi sacs, they are differing from each other. For example, cis means towards the face and trans means opposite side. Means in front size means next to the endoplasmic reticulum ER, the Golgi complex compartment which is there, cis which is there, it is facing to ER, and in the opposite side that is called as trans face. The Golgi bodies carried out two types of functions: modification of secretions of ER and production of its own secretion. Then refining of product take place in an orderly manner. For example, glycolipids and glycoproteins that are brought from ER to lose certain sugar. Means from these ER, the function which are there, it is being further carried out with the help of this Golgi complex. These Golgi bodies also manufacturing their own product. For example, non-cellulose polysaccharides like pectin. Manufactured or modified all the products of this Golgi complex leave cisternae from trans phase to the transport vesicle. Here I am showing the diagram for Golgi complex. This is the diagram. Here The cis phase, this direction is cis phase, receiving side of Golgi apparatus from this endoplasmic reticulum, and these are small vesicle from ER. And here the new vesicle forming, which is the trans phase. This is the concave side like apparatus, and this one is a convex like apparatus. In this way, this is the structure which shows the important function which are carried out inside the cell membrane. That one is cytoplasm. Now, next is the lysosome. This lysosome can be considered as dismantling and restructuring units of a cell. Means over here, if I will give the example that some microorganism in our house like mosquito or like cockroach etc., what we do, we take a spray or anything chemical component for killing those foreign particles harmful for our health. The same process is being carried out by this lysosome. This lysosome arise from Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum, which are present inside the cytoplasm in between. Here, this. Now, what happens when outer foreign particles which are harmful get entered? At that time, this lysosome digests those particles inside it in which the chemical components is present, or if some the product which are not used by this inside the cell function, at that time the same product which is there, that one is also digested in this cell lysosome compartment. Lysosome which arise from this Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum. The list of lysosomal enzyme includes all types of hydrolysis, for example, these amylases, proteases and lipases. Lysosomes are polymorphic in nature. We can classify lysosome as a primary lysosome and another one is a secondary or hybrid lysosome. Lysosome which bring about the digestion of cells' own organic material like a damaged cell organe are called autophagic vesicles. Means own, earlier we saw the foreign particle, how it digests. For example, the amoeba, how it digests its food particles. The same like a harmful particles are being digested by this lysosome. This is digestive. But if there is some problem created in the cell, at that time what will happen? The lysosome will digest inside this cell and all the content, means the cell organelles which are present inside the cell, that are also being digested and the cell is become dead cell. These lysosomes bring about intracellular and extracellular digestion. During metamorphosis process found in many organisms, lysosomal enzyme help in reusing the tissue of redundant organs and also helps in destruction of malignant cells, for example, T lymphocytes. Now here I am also showing the structure over here which is given in your textbook. Here the structure is lysosome structure, single wall membrane, and here in between enzyme complexes are present. Mostly inside this enzyme Which kind of enzyme is present? Hydrolase enzyme. This hydrolase enzyme digest all the chemical or harmful particle inside them. Here, the lysome, food vacuole is there. This is phagocytosis. Here, outer food particle, this is been digested, inside which this lysosome carry out the function. Intracellular also, intra and extra extracellular digestion also. In this way, we studied that lysosomes which are there, these are the disease due to insufficiency of lipase. Our brain which is there, it gets impaired due to the accumulation of fats. Now, in this way, today we studied about the cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, which is also called as Dalton complex, and lysosome. Thank you, student. During the next lecture, we will start with the vacuoles.